let's explore how to complete this question. This, on the face of it, this might seem a really difficult question. However, once you know what's asking you to do, it becomes actually quite easy. So first of all, if you look at each row, it has a denary value, an 8-bit binary value, or hex value, and there's always one blank in each row. What you have to do is basically convert either one of the other two into the third. So in this case, on the first row, denary is missing. So what I need to do is either convert the binary or the hex into denary. So in this case, if I wanted to turn the binary into denary, well, what I'm going to do, I'd have my little table of values, 1, 2, 4. I'll add them up, so 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So actually, as it turns out, the denary and the hexadecimal are the same value for that binary number. If you look at the next one, we have the denary 49, and we're missing the binary. So either I can convert the hexadecimal into binary, or I can convert the denary into binary, and that is completely up to you. Now, whatever I do, it does say 8 bits, so I must make sure I put 8 bits in there. So let's convert the denary into it. Well, what would I need? I don't need 128. I don't need a 64, but I would need a 32. I'm just going to make a little note of the 32. And then what am I left with? So if I subtract 32 from 49, that will give me 7 and 1, so 17. Well, how to get 17? I need a 16, don't I? I won't need an 8. I won't need a 4. I won't need a 2, but I would need a 1. So the answer would be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Looking at the next question, again, I've got a choice of either I convert the binary or the hexadecimal. Now the binary might be easier because I've got 64, I've got 32, I haven't got 16 or 8, I've got 4, and I've got 2. So if I just add those together, well, 64 plus 4 plus 2 would give me 70. And I'll add on the 32 after that, which will give me 102. Okay, so all I've done is I've converted that binary to denary. Then finally, I've got the denary value here, an 8-bit binary here, and I need to turn that to hex. So I can either take 244 and divide it by 16, which is a bit of a mission, or I can use the binary hex trick, and if I split these up into 2 nibbles, and then I'll just work out what the binary value for each of these are. Okay, well, that's 15, isn't it? And this one is what, 8, 4 is 4. Well, 15 in hex is F, so the answer will be F4. So again, I could divide by 16. I just think that's a little bit more complicated than turning binary into hexadecimal. So that's how you would approach a question like this.